Okay, so
Yeah.
now I'm
Now,
starting.
Trupti. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You can see my screen now.
Yes.
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 Okay. So I'll be talking about the vitamins. So in our daily activities, we know that our we need energy and we get that from the food. So apart from the regular diet, we are also supposed to include some of these chemical compounds in very small amount, but they are required for the certain biological functions and the maintenance of our growth. And these compounds we call them as vitamins. Now, vitamins are classified into two depending on their solubility, the fat soluble and water soluble. Now, the fat soluble, they remain stored in our body. That's why we are not supposed to take them in excess also. In excess also, they can be harmful for us. But in case of water soluble, even if they are in excess, they get excreted through the urine. That's why they are not harmful in excess. But deficiency, yes, that can lead to some diseases. So let us talk about some fat soluble vitamins. We have A, D, E, and K. Now, vitamin A is generally found in red or the orange color food like carrots, sweet potatoes, apricots, paprika. And the deficiency of this can lead to the night blindness. Then we have vitamin D. We know that it is generally produced by exposure to the sunlight, but now we can all relate because of our work schedules. We hardly get time for the exposure to the sunlight. So that's why we should include some of the food like milk, eggs, or the seafood like salmon fish or the catfish. The deficiency of vitamin D can lead to the improper growth of the bones, and that can lead to the rickets. Then vitamin E, sunflower seeds is a good source. Yes, almond is a good source of that. So we can include the almonds in our regular diet. Then spinach, asparagus. The deficiency of vitamin E can cause the weakening of the muscles. Then we have the vitamin K, which is found in spinach, broccoli, or parsley. This is required for the blood clotting function, and that's why if we are not taking the vitamin K properly, it can increase the time for the blood clotting. Then we have water soluble, that is B and C. Now in B we have entire B complex group. So vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, B9 is also important because that's a good source of folic acid. So all these we get it in meat, eggs, fish, leafy vegetables. Now the B1 can lead to the deficiency disease like beriberi. The deficiency of B2 can lead to disorders in digestive system. B6 can lead to convulsion, and B12 can lead to decrease in red blood cells. While vitamin C is found in citrus fruits, broccoli, then leafy green vegetables, and deficiency of vitamin C can cause the bleeding in gums. Nowadays, we get all artificial supplements for all these vitamins, but these natural resources are better rather than relying on the artificial supplements. So, we should include all this in our regular diet so we don't have to rely on the artificial supplements. So, I hope you can just this presentation you will find it helpful for the quiz. I'll just show you the again what are the deficiencies of every vitamin because that will help you for the quiz. So vitamin A, night blindness. D, that's rickets related to the bone. E, weakening of the muscles. K, blood clotting related diseases. B1, beriberi. B2, disorders in digestive systems. B6, convulsion. B12, decrease in red blood cells. And C, bleeding in gums. So now let's start with the quiz.
होतं काही नाही. आतापर्यंत काय
Anupama
कटकट
had
करत
joined.
नव्हतं, आता प्रायव्हेट प्रायव्हेसी एरर देत आहे. थांब होईल. हो.
Yes. Now all are here, so we can start the game.
Okay.
All the best. Kangaroos and hedgehogs are ahead. They are equal. Come on, peacocks, stingrays. A tough competition between kangaroos and hedgehogs. Hey, Shreya won.
Shreya. Great.